this is what I'm working on today. Last time we had this up at the cabin, I was noticing some squeaking going on the brakes. I don't know if it's dirt or if it's time to replace them. I'm not for sure, so I went ahead and ordered some online. They came in, so that's what I'm going to do. Is I'm going to go ahead and see about replacing these brake pads on the front here. Never done it before, so we'll see how it goes. These right here on the lugs on the tires, they're a 17 millimeter. Okay, I got the wheel off there. It should have 2 bolts back here on the back side of this that I will have to take off. There's one right there, and then I think there's another one right there. And these don't really look that bad. Okay, I'm gonna see what size these are, and then I'll turn it back on. Okay, these back here are 12 millimeter. So I'm gonna start taking those off now. Well, that one's too big. There it is right there. Oh, now I'm gonna have something to help get some leverage on that. That is tight. I maybe should have unloosened those before I took it off. All right, let me see if I can do it with this. Let's see, righty-tighty. Man. There went that one. There it goes. All right, let's see if that does it. There it goes. I don't see it coming out anymore. That may be as far as it's gonna go before you can just push it. Yeah, it come on out. All right, I'm gonna work on this one now. All right, I think that's as far as it's gonna go with the threads. Now I'm gonna push it out with the smaller Allen wrench. Well, that one is being stubborn. Well, that was easy. It's amazing how it works when you get all the parts out. See, these don't look bad. That's not even dirty up in there. All right, let me compare it to a new one. Okay, this one is just like it. As you can tell, it hasn't worn that much. But I'm gonna go ahead and replace it because I got it. All right, I'm gonna put this one in. Snap it down in there. Looks like it's gonna have to go down a little bit. There it goes. There's that side. Now I'm gonna get the other side started. Try to push it down just a little bit, just to get it started. There it goes. Back it up some. There. All right, now the new one.
Get these in started.
There, that one started. All right, I'm gonna do it like that and try to just get it a little bit tighter. Okay. Get it back on there now. All right. All right, there's one side. Okay, let's go to this side now. Apparently, you don't even have to take this off. The other day, I started to do it before I had the brake pads, and I thought I had to take it off, but apparently you don't have to. We'll find out for sure right here though. Okay, this is a 1/2 inch drill. It'll snap these bolts if you let it. It's so powerful. But I got this reduces it down from 1/2 inch to 3/8, so I can use a regular 3/8 socket on this. I carry this drill every trip to the cabin in case we have a flat on the trailer or my truck. It'll do those lug nuts with these. Make it a lot quicker. It's just tight, what it is. Hasn't been off there in so long. Maybe never. All right. Well, that confirms it. Do not take that off. You don't need to. But this time, I am going to loosen this before I take it off. And I grabbed the wrong one. And I'm sure by the time I do this again, I'll probably forget, and it'll take me longer to do the first one than the second one. It's a lot easier. It's still on there. All right, I'll do the rest when I get it off. These are not very long, so it doesn't take much to get them out. I think that's as far as it'll go, thread wise. Now I'm just using a smaller Allen wrench to push these out. I want that one. All right, there's that one. Just like the other side, they don't look real bad. You can see them there. The thickness isn't that much different than the new ones, but all right. Let me go ahead and start these again. There's that one. There. They're both sticking through now. Now I get this other new one. There it goes. Sometimes you might have to push down on this a little bit on the brake pad to get that hole to line up. It's kind of some spring things underneath it. I guess it keeps them where they're supposed to be. Same with this side. I pushed down on it and then it went in. All right. Come on. Man. All right, that is it. It probably would take about 30 minutes, and got new brake pads on there. So I'm gonna let the jack down, move all my stuff out of the way, and I had to do that up inside my shed right here because it was supposed to start raining pretty bad, and I wanted to be able to close the door down in case it started to rain while I was doing this, but it didn't. So, or I would have had it out here to where I could see it better and actually probably do it quicker. But I'll get all this stuff moved up and see how they work.